Hi everyone. So finally, we are happy to announce that we are launching the long-awaited long-term premium monthly courses membership at negligible cost, at very small cost of $9 per month. So all the students who wanted our courses and they could not attend due to the cost and their credit card, debit card limit issues. So this is the best opportunity. Here, under this membership in this program, we will study one course every month. For example, in November and December, because November has already started. So in November, we will study about basic IT fundamentals because the next courses which are about to come, we will build the basics, the background, so that all the students are on the same level. Then in next month, we will study about the next course, which is about OSPF. Then in February, we will study about how to make the Python tool. So all the courses lists are there. So you can subscribe for this monthly membership and pay for one course. And then next month, if you don't want, then you can skip and pay for the next one. So in this way, we will be making good basis for all of our students. So this is very best opportunity for all our students, especially our previous students who have taken with us one course like cybersecurity or CCNA. So here we will be covering, we'll be adding up and we'll go into the next level. So how does this membership work and what is covered in this $9 which you will be paying every month? So first of all, we will study one course every month. This is the courses list which is also there on the course page. Simply every information is there on the course page. You go to the course page, click here on premium membership and everything will come through. So click here on premium membership and then all the course detail are there, the payment detail, and also there are detailed questions and answers on the bottom which explain everything. If you want to talk to the course admin, you can click here on the WhatsApp button and from your mobile and you can talk to your instructor, to the administrator. These are the courses list. This is how you can register. So you can write your name, your email, your WhatsApp number, everything in here and choose the option. If there is any coupon code, you can enter in here and then this fees will reduce. So you can talk to the admin and get your coupon code. So it will become $9 for our existing previous students. And what is included, everything has been explained on the course page itself, right? So we will study one course every month. For example, this is networking. The first course we will start in November and December on, I think, start of the November. So we will be studying about networking, IT and programming fundamentals in detail, right? Let's say this is the first course. And also as soon as you register, you will get welcome pack email which will have access to the folders as well, your online drive. So here let's say the first course is networking, IT and programming fundamentals. We will prepare you for all the courses which are coming next. Here before every class the files will be uploaded into your drive. So here let's say this is your lecture file, this is coming tomorrow. So the files will be uploaded in here. You guys can download. Admins will remind you in a WhatsApp group as well. So this is how it will work. These are all software, everything related to the course. And then this is complaint process. So click here on all software. So you guys can download the software from here related to this course. Right, in this way we will be studying. So these are the courses which we will study in every month. So everything is covered in the $9. Secondly, this course is based on the live classes. Every Saturday and Sunday we will have live classes, right, every week. So normally our courses are minimum $49 for these kind of classes, but this whole thing is covered in the $9. Then once we complete Saturday and Sunday classes during the week, on Wednesdays, Thursdays, there will be extra classes as well. So if you guys will have question answers, so we can have open discussion and other than the regular classes. So we will be holding extra sessions during the week as well. Then once we complete 1 month course, let's say we complete this first course on networking, IT and programming fundamentals, basics, you will get one certificate and the certificate would look like this one. It is digitally verifiable. And in case you apply for a job on a company, you can attach this certificate with the CV, and whenever they want to verify, they can send the email or through online verification, they can verify it as well. Okay, and once you complete 10 courses, let's say you opt out, you register for 10 courses and you complete 10 courses, you get a diploma certificate as well, a proper diploma certificate that you have completed this certificate. So this is very good opportunity for you. In addition to that, you will also get digitally verifiable badges wherever it's applicable with each monthly course. You will also get hands-on practice labs. So our labs, they look like this one. Let's say we are going with a course which is on, for example, let's go with OSPF. So with OSPF, we will be going through the lab as well. We will give you a packet tracer lab. Let's say this is our multi-area lab in OSPF. So we will give you a clear task and a clear objective. So this is topology. You have to configure OSPF in here. We will study in the class first that how to configure OSPF, what is OSPF, and then we will go through this lab. This is the task, relevant information, and this is the solution step by step, that how to configure OSPF, and then this is the verification. So you guys will be completing these labs. One time we will do it together during the live class, and then you guys will be continuing this one. So they come along with the packet tracer simulation software. So you will be doing practical experience, hands-on experience as well, mostly in Cisco packet tracer for the networking labs, and we will be doing the cybersecurity labs in our virtual lab. So we will prepare together a virtual lab on your laptops. Each of you will prepare, you will download Kali Linux and other tools to prepare a virtual environment in which you guys will be practicing that. So here networking labs would look like this. So you will be given a task and you will be given a solution. First try to solve the task yourself. If you cannot, then you can see the solution. So here it gives you like show version, these kind of commands. So here it gives you like real-time experience of working on routers and switches. Networking labs would look like this one, and there is a detailed guide as well how to perform these labs, right? In the fundamentals, actually one of the lecture is that how to prepare your virtual lab for cybersecurity for all the courses, and how to prepare your virtual lab for IP and networking practice, right? So for example, this is the cybersecurity lab which is based on VirtualBox and Kali Linux. So here we will be learning that okay, how you can prepare this kind of lab environment. We'll download VirtualBox, Kali Linux, Windows. So we will be launching hacking attacks from the Kali Linux machine. So Kali Linux will work like a hacking machine, a hacker, and we will simulate our mobile phone and others as a victim. So you guys will set up, and there will be a lecture. I will guide you guys step by step how to complete this kind of lab, which setting you need to make, because we cannot perform every lab on our main computer. We cannot infect it. So this is how it goes. Other than that, you guys will get quizzes, exams, home assignments with each lecture and instant test. So after every lecture, we don't just keep on teaching and you keep on listening. It's not a good way, right? So let's say there is a course on BGP, or let's say there is a course on Python programming, right? So we'll prepare you for Python for network engineers and cybersecurity, that how we can use programming. This is one of the course, the third course actually, third month, that how we can use Python for programming of our routers, our switches, and how we can make scripts which can be used for the hacking, and how we can stop these kind of scripts as well. So here we will be learning Python. First of all, this will be the Python lab as well. So we will use Python for automation. We'll learn that okay, how we can automate scripts based on Python which can configure the network, right? And with every lecture, like I said, so there will be a quiz as well, and the quizzes are online. For example, when we are going to study, let me show you. For example, when we are going to study OSPF, so after every lecture of OSPF, we have a quiz, right? Whatever we study, so we will be going through the quiz as well, that what we have studied and how we can test our knowledge. So immediately we will be testing our knowledge. So you will come here to the course page, answer these questions, and then finally you click on the submit button, and you get instantly all the results in your email. We get a copy of your email as well, of your results as well, so that instructor can check okay, how did you perform. So after every lecture there will be a small test, a lab and a small test. Also there will be extra study materials. For example, when we study OSPF, this is called summary cheat sheet, means the whole summary of the OSPF topic, so that in future if you want to revise, you can just see this one page and you can remember everything. So this one we would recommend during the courses you print this and paste on your wall, so that in future slowly these concepts will be in your mind. You don't have to cram again and again every day, right? So a lot of these kind of help materials for long-term memory, these kind of OSPF for hacking, for cyber security with each of these courses, right? Other than that, we will be preparing interview questions. We will have a session. Usually we charge $49 for that kind of session, but it is also covered under $9. We will also review your LinkedIn profile, so that you guys can go with more job opportunities. We will also review your CV under this program. Every month you guys will submit your CV, so that we can review that whether it's correct or not, whether it's matching with your LinkedIn profile, whether it's showing your profile properly, or what deficiencies are there. So we will guide you. So it is very, very important. Usually we charge $50 for these kind of services, but it is also coming under this membership. We will do by default for all of you, whether you are a new joiner, a new graduate, or whether you are you are already a working professional. Plus you will have e-library access, where we have 1000+ books. Usually that service is $9 per month, but this is also covered under this main fees. And then technical support from our professional team whenever you face a technical problem. So our technical person will help you through AnyDesk or TeamViewer. They are always available in working hours for you guys. And you will have direct access to CCIE level instructor through email, group, or WhatsApp. And then you will have Cisco Premium. So all of this is covered actually under these $9. So it's a very good option overall. And we are happy to see all our previous students, especially who have taken CCNA cybersecurity with us. We welcome you to join this membership. So it will be very, very beneficial for your career. Now the courses which we will be studying under this is, we are starting now from November. So please try to register as soon as possible. And first month we will study about networking, IT and programming fundamentals, so that at least you have basics for all these upcoming courses. Then second month will be about OSPF. We will study everything about OSPF. OSPF is very vast topic, and this is the favorite topic of interviewers whenever you go for an interview. So VLAN, OSPF, BGP, MPLS, these topics are hot topics for network engineer, for IT support engineer. So we will prepare you fully in 1 month of the OSPF. We will study each and everything of OSPF from basics. We will do all the OSPF labs. We will give you quizzes, a lot of tests, a lot of practice labs, a lot of cheat sheet materials, a lot of interview questions, preparation sessions, CV review, LinkedIn review. So a lot of things, right? And then you get a certificate as well end of the month. So this month we'll go in deep for the OSPF. Third month will be about Python programming, but Python for network engineers and ethical hackers and cyber security. That how we can use Python for these kind of jobs, these roles, not Python for everyone, because Python is very vast. Python can be used for mathematics, for physics, for chemistry, but we will study Python from that perspective of network engineer. Very important course. Then in March we will study about BGP. BGP again we will study same like OSPF the whole month, so that you are expert in BGP. Then the fifth one, in April we will study that how we can make our own Python hacking tools. Very, very important. So because if we don't know how hacking happens, we cannot stop the hacking as well. So that's why this month is Python hacking tools. We will be studying all these Python hacking tools. We will make Python viruses, and then we will study some miscellaneous projects like password generator, like IP location finder, how we can use Python for Wi-Fi password cracking, and so many other things. Then we will create our own Nmap tool, not to use the existing tool, but we will create our own Nmap tool through Python programming. We will also study like requests libraries, KP to create fake packets for hacking. We will study sub-process library for MAC changing, main input for the keylogger, faker to generate the fake data, and so many other. And then we will also be using Kinter to convert these programs into graphical wherever necessary. So this is all what we are going to study in this course. So I hope this is very useful and interesting for you guys. Then we will study about Linux and Kali Linux in 1 month, then Wireshark for packet analysis, Python for network automation specifically. Next month will be IP networking, MPLS, how to create malware and virus so that we can stop and then metasploit, artificial intelligence, which is very, very important, but for how we can use AI and chat GPT, those kind of tools for networking and cybersecurity. So this whole thing is all about networking, cybersecurity, so that you don't deviate from your field. We'll also study deep and dark web in March 2025 this month, then malware analysis, parrot operating system, and so on. So this is the milestones which we will be achieving, but we are happy to add any courses where you guys will be raising your request that okay, I want to study specifically this course. So we will be doing votings as well, that okay, wherever we get more votes, okay, students want to study this, so we are flexible to teach you guys anything about cybersecurity and around IT topics, networking specifically. So now if you guys have any questions, you guys are free to ask. If you have watched this already, and this is the course page which has almost everything, I'll share the link as well, so please go through the course page and try to register as soon as possible. Enter your name, your address, everything, and then choose better to pay one time for at least 6 months or 12 months, and use the coupon code, very important. So get the coupon code from the admin, from the instructor. So like whether you are a previous student, whether you are a working professional, so depending on your current situation, they will give you a good deal for that. So this one will become less than $9 or $9 sometime. So but better to pay at least 6 or 12 months one time, even you are going with the $9. So as soon as you enter the coupon code in here, let me try one coupon code. Yes, so as soon as you enter the coupon code, you can see the prices have changed now after this coupon code. So now the fee for 1 month is $11, for 6 months is $9. So better to choose this 12 months option one time, so that you don't have to pay every month your credit card, your debit card company, your exchange rate, and all of that, and you can focus on the courses every month. So all our previous students who have taken the courses with us, they know our quality, so we will be doing this one even more better quality than this. So this does not mean that these courses are less costly and we will be paying less attention. This one we will be paying more attention because we have a separate team for this one now. So you will feel a lot of improvement in the quality, a lot of improvement in the response as well. So good luck with your registration, and we are happy to see. So try to join from the first course so that your basics are good, and we will take you along with us. And even if you join in the middle, it's okay. So we will give you the recording of the previous course at a small cost, and then you can watch those recordings of those courses and catch up as well. So thank you for joining, and I hope there is nothing much left about this. If there is something, you guys can ask me directly as well. See you in the course.